Hey everyone, it's Pablo. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use JoggAI to create videos step by step. First, head over to jog.ai. You'll notice the Get Started button right in the middle of the screen, or you can find it in the top right corner. Click that to begin. Now, you're in the product interface. If you have a product URL, simply copy and paste the link here and hit the Analyze URL button. JoggAI will automatically extract key information like the product name, description, and media from the link. If you have additional visuals, you can upload them from your device by clicking here. But if you don't have a URL to analyze, no worries. Just click the Products button on the left to manually upload product details and assets like images or videos. Once you're done, click Create Video, and you'll follow the video creation process. Let's get back to URL to video page, and you'll find yourself on the video settings page. Here you can choose the aspect ratio, either 9:16 for vertical videos or 16:9 for widescreen. For this demo, I'm going with 9:16 since it's ideal for social media. You can also select the video length. I'm picking 30 seconds, which is great for short-form content. You can target specific audiences if needed. And JoggAI supports 25 languages, with more on the way. If you don't see the language you need, feel free to reach out to us. Click Next to generate your script. This only takes a few seconds. Once the script is ready, you can choose your favorite or click Edit to make changes. Click Next, and JoggAI will match the best templates for your content. This step is super quick as well. Now you're in the template, avatar, and music selection part. On the left, you'll see a preview frame where you can see how everything looks as you try different templates and avatars. Our templates now incorporate motion effects for images, enhancing the dynamism of videos and enabling smoother transitions. Below the preview frame, you'll find two buttons, Quick Edit and ProEdit. These are your video editing tools for detailed customization. Let's start with Quick Edit, which is designed for simple adjustments. Your script and media are divided by scene, and you can easily replace media for any scene by clicking Replace Media. To change the layout, click the Layout button to explore various storyboard options, like layouts with avatars, visuals, or a mix of both. I'll try the layout that places a small avatar in the bottom left corner. Now let's check out the ProEdit feature. Click ProEdit to dive into more advanced editing. At the bottom, you'll see separate tracks for scenes, media, avatars, text-to-speech, and music, giving you a clearer view for managing your project. On the left, there's a control panel for everything: scripts, avatars, layouts, text, media, music, and captions. In the middle, you'll see the canvas where you can preview and tweak your video as you edit. Starting with the script panel, you can add, edit, or delete scripts, choose an AI voice, and render the audio. In the Avatar tab, you can add or change avatars, and even create a personalized one using AI cloning for your appearance and voice. In the Layout panel, you can modify your scene's layout with different templates. The Text panel lets you add and edit text to make your video stand out. Over in the Media panel, you can upload images or videos, and the Music panel allows you to choose background music or go without. You can adjust each element by selecting it and using the Properties panel. Want a floating avatar or a cycling view? Just a click away. You can also move, resize, or change the transparency of elements, as well as adjust their order. You could also customize motion styles for images. For your media, you can crop, change images and videos, and add animations to control how they enter and exit. And as for captions, here are different colors and styles that you can choose. Once you're happy with your edits, save your project. Now, if you're satisfied with the final video, click Render to submit it. Your video will be ready in just a few minutes. If you're creating videos in bulk, JoggAI's batch mode is a super powerful but easy to use tool that can help you. Just click Add to create more ads with customized templates, avatars, and adjustments. You can create up to 100 videos at once. Once you're done, hit Render, and your batch of videos will be ready in minutes. That's it for this walkthrough. I hope this video helps you get started with JoggAI.